Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to talk to you real quick about leaf cleanups and what exactly you should be doing right now with all the leaves that are falling off trees. There's a lot of debate on what's best for your lawn, whether you should leave them or rake them up or mulch them in with a mower. And really it's pretty simple. Leaves are good for your lawn. They will break down. They are a natural fertilizer. They will provide nutrients to the soil. They're good for your turf. But too many it's a bad thing. You know, if you have a large buildup of leaves, a thick layer of leaves, that could be a bad thing. That can smother the turf underneath. It doesn't allow it to breathe. And especially if we have a lot of moisture. If you've got a thick layer of leaves and we have a lot of moisture, that can cause a lot of problems in the turf underneath those leaves. So all you have to do is just be mindful of that and keep an eye out for it. A property like this property has a lot of trees and a lot of leaves are falling every single week. So it's pretty frequent that this property has to be mowed. Leaves have to be kind of blown out of the corners and whatnot, and then mulched in. That's the best thing to do, is to mulch them in. If you have a property like this and you let it build up over time, you won't be able to mulch it in. You'll have to go out there and actually remove the leaves and not let them sit so that it doesn't damage the turf underneath. If you don't have a lot of trees, then it's not really that big of a deal. You can let them sit all season long if you want to, or you can go mulch them in as well. A couple of things to look out for: if you have any property, if you have any trees at all, leaves will blow to the fence line and they'll catch there, they'll gather there, they'll build up, and if you have turf along that fence line, it will damage it. So keep an eye out for that stuff. Make sure you blow the leaves off the fence lines and then mulch them in. Also, a mistake that people make a lot of times is they blow all the leaves into a huge pile in the corner somewhere. They might leave them, they might want to let the kids play in it or whatever, but if you leave it there, that will also smother that turf underneath. So don't leave it there for an extended period of time. Go ahead and you can blow it there and leave it for a little bit and let the kids jump in it and play in it and whatever, but eventually it needs to be removed. So just be mindful of that. It's pretty much common sense. If it's a huge pile building up on your lawn of leaves, a huge layer, then you need to get it off, mulch it in. If not, then it can sit. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.